Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to break a clip off a pencil. This is how you do when you're nervous. So you can break a clip off a pencil when you're nervous sometimes. If you're nervous at school and then you have nothing and you're bored, sometimes you can break the clip off of a pencil. That would keep you from tapping. Guys, that would keep you from tapping. So all you do is you pull on this clip until it comes off and release, pull on, keep pulling.
Oh, you got it here too. That is awesome.
From Whole Foods.
And it snaps.
It is
So this is how you can do it.
Yeah, no more videos breaking things, okay?
You only have 10 minutes.
Alright guys, and you good for Chloe?
Yes.
Yeah?
This is a good fidgeting
And
practice
Liam?
thing with to fidget with their pencil.
And Liam, you're going to be nice
So-
to Brian too?
This is how you fidget with your pencil. This is a good fidgeting tutorial on how to break a clip off of a pencil. So I'll get another pencil.
So you're in Weymouth? Is that?
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm in
okay.
South Weymouth, yeah.
Oh, great, okay.
Yeah.
Have you babysat for
What's one is
she-
all?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
sometimes like my sister would or I would if she was at school or
Oh,
something.
okay.
So, yeah.
What place?
What? This is a brain of the party, but there are cookies in there. Chocolate chip and M&M's.
Do it
You
with
want a cookie?
another pencil.
Yeah. What kind do you want?
All you do is you pull the clip off of her
Ready? I'm gonna get you a plate.
and release it.
Okay.
Alright, well,
Snaps.
thank you very much. You got my
Oh,
number.
yeah.
I'll share it with Lens with you too, just in case.
Yeah. Okay, sounds good.
And a pass down or something.
Have fun tonight.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
I love your hug.
I love your hugs. What kind of cookie do you want? Do you want a cookie?
No, who bought those? Who bought those?
I think your mom did. I think that was that.
Do you hear? Here's how you break a clip off of a pen. So you pull it and it snaps.
Are they good?
Thanks for watching. And that's it. This is how you break a clip off of a pencil or a pen. Yes. Hope you subscribe to my to my channel. Thanks for watching on how to break a clip off of a mechanical pen or a mechanical pencil or a pen. Thanks for watching.